We always wish to make our loved one's birthday or anniversary memorable and special, but most of the times we are out of ideas or searching for the better ones. And due to coronavirus, it has become more difficult by celebrating birthday while maintaining social distancing. But this won't stop you from celebrating, right? So, how to do it? Let's find out. Hello friends, welcome to Vajax Artwork. In this video, I will list out few ideas which you can use to make your loved one's birthday a fantastic and unforgettable day even in this quarantine mode. Towards the end of the video, a bonus idea is waiting for you, so do watch the video till the end. First one, decorate the room. The best thing you can use is lightings and balloons. It can make wonders. You can also use different things like curtains, candles, bed sheets, flowers. If you don't have actual flowers, then you can just make use of paper to make them. Make greeting cards, make posters describing the birthday girl or boy, photos attached to the helium balloons. Decorate the wall with photos. Basically, decorate the room in the way you can. It's the ultimate goal. Second one, make a video and send the girl the girl or boy on personal chat or post it on social media. Now, the next question will be what to put in the video. So, one of the ideas is to ask your relatives and friends to make a short videos and send it to you and combine them and make one video, and that's it. Another idea is to sing a song or recite a small poem, dance in a video, or even mimic the birthday girl or boy. You can make a series of messages or quotes, write them on a poster and make a video. Also create a stop motion video describing the birthday person. Create a slideshow of photos attached with the song. Third, have a video game party. Make a group of friends and play together. You can also play in duo for some games which are live, and you can just spend time together on a virtual basis. Fourth, food. Make their favorite food, have a candlelight dinner. Even you can order food online and make them deliver to their place. Cake is the must thing for a birthday celebration. You can even bake a cake for them at home or order them online. Fifth, one of the best way to celebrate birthday is to donate money under the name of birthday girl or boy. Sixth one, have a group video call. Platforms like Zoom meetings, WhatsApp calls, etc. are present to make this happen. By doing this call, you can actually make them feel special and celebrate their birthday even when you are not actually present with them in person. Seventh, make a treasure hunt for your birthday girl or boy. Make them find clues in the house itself or in the surrounding area, whichever is possible. Treasure hunt is something that everyone enjoys irrespective of the age to play, and they would definitely have fun out of it. 8th, write a poem, article or a song, or can have a rare funny picture of your loved ones. Add a memorable caption and send it personally or post it on Facebook, Instagram or WhatsApp. 9th, gift membership subscriptions of Netflix, Amazon Prime, or even licensed software which they wish to have. Buy them online courses or some digital tools which they always wish to have them. Bonus idea, spending quality time with your birthday girl or boy. One can always buy gifts or arrange events or party, but you can't buy time. This is usually observed that one has everything in this world, like money, property, family, clothes, jewelry, and whatnot. So, it's a big question, what should be gifted to such a person? And the answer is quality time. You can just have a cup of coffee with them or have a small conversation with them, and this would make their birthday. Believe me, spending time together always works. If you are away from them, then just call them. And this can also work. So these were the ideas listed down to make your loved one's birthday or anniversary a memorable day. You can create your own ways, your own ideas to make them feel special. Hope you like my video. You can also share your experiences in the comments below. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video.